Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to predict if your team is likely to win in Dota 2. Let's get started. Press F6 or open the scoreboard graphics. If your team has a net worth lead, it usually means you are ahead. Simple rule: 1k to 5k lead, small advantage 5 to 10k lead, strong control or 10k plus lead means very good chance to win. But remember, Dota is unpredictable, leads can change fast. Check the last scene and net worth of your carry and mid. If your score are farming well and reaching their key items early, your team has a high chance to win fights. Another way to predict a win is to see which team wins fight consistently. Ask yourself, did we win the last 2-3 fights? Do we have stronger ultimates or are we killing enemy score often? If the answer is yes, momentum is on your side. Check the map, look at the item inventory. If your team finish important items first like BKB, Blink, Radiant, your team gets a big temporary advantage. This window often decides the game, and that's it. These simple things will help you predict if your team will win without any cheaters or third-party tools. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like it. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.